Yan, magandang gabi guys. Welcome to Wise Investors PH live trading here guys. So you can learn about trading, investing, Forex trading and a lot of stuff. Audio check if I can hear my own voice. I think I can. Yan, okay na. I think I can hear it already. The mic. All right. So maganda topic natin tonight. Aside from trading, we can learn more into the stock market. And now we're gonna talk about more into the Forex trading. Technical Forex trading, no? Yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Teka, lagyan ko to ng caption. Live trading. Yan, live trading. Why computing peak value is important. Yan. Okay, there you go. Alright, so there you go. Lagyan natin itong mga sa background there. Yun. Ayan. Welcome guys. Help me share this live. Meron ba kayong background music dapat meron? Pero let me just reshare this. Okay. Alright. Yan. So, hi naman kayo dyan. Isa naman malupit na comment dyan and Happy New Year ulit. It's 9-9. 9-9. 12-12. Anyway, so we are 9:01 in the evening. So, it's gonna be a 1-hour live for us. I just announced kanina, in-announce ko kanina that we're gonna have our conference already planned for Izanagi community. So, please mark your calendars on Jen. Oy, Jen, mali na print. Sorry, mali na print. Mali na yung print natin sa Canva. Sorry. January, tama ba? 2023. Yan na natin to. Mali. Mali na Canva natin. Anyway, mamaya na natin yan. Important yung live natin tonight. So we're gonna talk about why important to compute the peak value. So if you know the peak value of each pair, you can already type number 10. First time mo narinig, may peak value per pair. May peak value pala per pair ang Forex. Type number 1 on the chat box para alam natin If alam niyo na ba? Kung alam niyo na, then we're gonna talk about a different topic already. Spontaneous. Di ba? 2023. Mali pala yung akin na print. Engot lang, di ba? Engot lang. So if alam niyo na yung topic natin tonight, just a quick rundown of what's gonna talk about tonight. At least kahit paano, I may know if you help me comment on the chat box. Yeah. There you go. Mali yung akin na post, brothers. Yeah. Okay. Alam ko muna to para hindi nakakahiya sa post ko. Here. Yeah. So tingnan natin yung mga comments ng mga tao kung alam na nila. Tagayin natin yan. Balik natin sa comments. Ayun. So some said 1, some said no, hindi pa nila alam ang PIP value ng isang pair. So tingnan natin ng dollar para ano natin. Kasi ang dollar is the universal currency kung saan ang universal currency doon papunta. So if you notice, the dollar is breaking down. Bumagsak yung kahapon after the market rose and already breaks out. No? And if you notice, dollar is weakening. But based on seasonality, the dollar, to be honest, is actually very strong. Okay, very strong ang dollar, especially end of the month. Malakas ang dollar end of the month by seasonality. So isa yan sa by season dollar. But if you notice as well, the dollar is actually already breaks down the momentum of its trend line. So pabagsak na to. So trading against the dollar or long position to commodities is very, very good. No? In the likes of Australian, New Zealand, no? Ano ba ba? USD, mga or likes of against JPY or CHF, mga risk on, risk off. So isa yan sa mga basic na sentiment trading sa Forex. The question is, yung mga iba, pag nakakita ng trade calls, katulad dito, I sent a trade calls kanina, ba't hindi yun na gano'n? I sent a trade calls kanina here, dito, tingnan natin dito, shadow team, yan. Nagpadala ako ng trade calls kanina. I'm not sure kung naintindihan nila yung ito, sample ito. Yan. Nagpadala si admin kanina, Euro USD trade calls, sell at 1.07, no? 0745, 745. So if you're gonna go to USD, ito, pababagsak yan, nasa resistance ngayon si Euro USD. Kahit paano, no, nag-breakout. So, it's won the weakness right now. So, naglalaro siya sa resistance despite it's green. But the candlestick right now of Euro USD is actually really good to really place a short position on Euro USD. The question is, alam mo ba ang PIP value? Ano ibig sabihin ng PIP value? PIP value means sa isang PIP na galaw niya, how much siya gumagalaw. Kasi may tinatawag na major pairs at minor pairs at cross pairs. So kailangan alam mo at exotic pairs yan. Yan. So dapat alam mo yung mga galaw nito. So minor pairs. Kasi pag hindi mo alam, tapos nag-train ka lang, dire-diretso, hindi mo totally makukompute yung proper risk management along with it. So kailangan, when you trade the Forex pairs, dapat alam mo ano yung mga major pair where it moves very, very strong, where it moves very, very high in terms of the PIP value. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin to, no? Binary pairs and exotic pairs. Look at this. Okay? So, again, hintayin natin yung mga answer nyo. If you already know the PIP value, example, we know that the PIP is this, no? The PIP, example, Euro USD, the current price of Euro USD is the bid. Magalaw masyado to, Example, the trade call is, the trade call nito is this one. Say 1.0745. Okay, so nag-sell position tayo kanina ng 1.0745. So that's trade call yan, di ba? Okay, so the trade call is here. Yan yung trade call. So, pinasell na natin yung mga tao kanina. So, everyone is already earning. Hindi tayo nagpa-trade call 0745. Around this level. Okay? Yan. 45. Natin itong coordinates. 45. Yan. Okay. So, dito tayo nagpa-sell position kanina. So, if you notice yan, binigyan natin yung trade call sa mga tao and some of them are already earning. I think, kung titignan mo, already earning how many pips already. So, the question is two things. Is our viewers or traders or the shadow users know about what pip is? Diba? That's the question. And what is pip? No? Ito muna. So, kailangan alam mo ba ang pip? Pag sinabing pip, saan ba siya dito? So, example, we are actually trading EURUSD, sell position at 0.7451. So, that's yung itsura niyan on the price value. So, yung 1 pip mo, ibig sabihin nito, dito ka ang count mo ng 1 pip. Meaning to say, pag gumalaw to ng plus 1, buray na natin to. Pag gumalaw to ng plus 1, bumangat, that's 1 pip. 1 pip or 1 point. No? So, pag bumagsak yan, that's 1 pip. Pag ito naging 5, yung 4 naging 5, okay, that's already 10 pips. Kasi from 40, naging 50. Okay? So the question is, itong isang galaw na to, which is this number 5 that will go at 6 or 5 or 4 at 1 pip, how much would it cost you if you're gonna trade it? Okay? So how much would it cost you when you trade it? Kasi iba-iba yung pip value ng per pair. Okay? So katulad ni EURUSD, magkano siya? Example, ang trade call na to was, the TP is 1.72. No? The TP1 is 1.72. So ilan yun? 1.725. That's 20 pips from the entry. So dito tayo nagpa dyan. 1.72, 20 pips is around 47, around here. Ang TP1 yan. Ito yung TP1 yan. So we're already halfway there, no? On a 5-minute chart, tinamahan to 25 is this. From the entry, 45 to 25. 31 to 25 dito. O tinamahan pala yung TP na to eh. Tinamahan pala yung TP nito kanina eh. From 45, tinamahan pala kanina yung TP1, 27. Ayan. At 20, 0725. Hindi pa pala, mga 2 pips away na lang. Ayan, around here yung TP. So, dito naman, bumabalik siya ulit, but it's going sideways. So, dito yung TP. The question is, on this 20 pips, how much would it cost you? Yun yung tanong. Okay? So, iba-iba kasi yung pip value niyan. Pag nag-trade ka ng malalaking klase ng pair, pag gumalaw yan, hindi mo alam yung pip value, problema. Okay? So, to make it easier for our audience and for our users, okay, dapat i-compute mo muna siya, what is one lot? One lot is equivalent to standard account. Example, standard account, magkano siya? So, alam na natin, ibig sabihin ng 1 pip, which is the fourth number after the decimal, and that's 1 pip. If you use a standard account, you are trading at least 10 pips. On EURUSD, this is 10 pips on EURUSD. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Okay? Pakita ko to sa inyo. Ayan. So, ito yung mga pip value niya. Iba-iba yung pip value based on its size, based on its pip value. So, if you notice, yung mga major pairs has a very, very huge pip value. So, pag gumalaw yan, grabe yung pip value niyan. Compared to the minor pairs, compared to what they call the cross pairs or what they call yung other, which is exotic pairs. So, yung mga exotic pairs pa. So, very less liquid. Okay, what you notice? On USD, okay, one lot is equivalent to $10 per pip. So, pag gumalaw yan ng 1 pip, which is the fourth number after your decimal, gagalaw yan ng $10. Pag gumamit ka ng 0.10, okay, 0.10 is ito, so 1 pip to. Pag gumamit ka ng 0.10, gagalaw yan ng 1 USD per pip. Okay? Kasi si EURUSD is a major pair. So pag naglagay ng lot size ng 0.10, gagalaw siya ng $1 per pip. So kung maglalagay ka ng 0.05, gagalaw siya ng what? 0.5 cents per pip. Okay? So, yung iba dito, like example, you're gonna trade mga tinitrading niya sa odd NZD. Maliit lang yung pip value, hindi ganun kalaki. So pag nag-drawdown si Izanagi dyan, hindi ganun ka-significant. Kahit compare mo, pag nag-drawdown yung odd USD compared and odd NZD, okay, yung drawdown niya, mas malaki kailangan ni odd NZD para mapantayan niya si odd USD. So mas delikado mag-drawdown si odd USD because the peak value of odd USD is actually big compared to odd NZD. Okay? So in the likes of odd USD, peak value is $10 per lot. Okay? Euro USD is same, $10 per lot. Mga GBP also has a very huge, mga huge yan, mga almost $10. GBP USD has a peak value of $10 per lot. So makocompute mo yan at that rate. So to be safe, any trading of pair, you compute them like a major pair. Okay? Para hindi ka, lalo na pag nakakita ka ng major pair, Euro, GBP, Australian. No? Yung Australian. Look at that, NZD CHF. No? Has at $11 per pip per USD. So pag gumalaw yan ng 1 pip, which is the fourth number after your decimal, it can move to you and against you at what? Almost $11. No? NZD USD is also a major pair which is can move at least $10 per lot. So USD CAD almost $8 per lot. So dapat alam mo, pag nakakita ka pala ng mga USD pairs or major pairs, it can move a very significant $3 difference with the minor pairs. Okay, so mga titingnan mo dyan, example, yung mga maglalaki ng drawdown, Euro NZD, $6 per lot. So, second, pag mga minor pairs kasi yan, yung move niyan is non-mean reverting, hindi siya bumabalik. Hindi siya as strong from the base to the put. Yung Euro, which is the base and the put. So, kung tinignan mo, pag gumagalaw yung mga ito, mas malakas, example, Euro, mas malakas, grabe yung magiging trending. So, in balancing a Forex, papansinin mo, like example, let's check at Euro NZD. Diba? Maliit lang yung movement ng Euro NZD, right? Diba? Euro NZD has a peak value of 6.34. So what does it mean with that? Each pip it moves has a 6.34 lot per lot per USD. Okay? Pero pag gumalaw yan, grabe din. Yung per day niya na pip is different. No? Kapag gumalaw yan, very, very strong. No? So means parang yan sa stock market, if you're trading a stock market, let's say the major pairs is your blue chips. Hindi pag gumalaw, meron niyang limit lang na number of percent per day. Pero pag gumalaw yung mga minor pairs or mga secondary stocks like the minor pairs, no, na mga mababa yung pip value, mas madali siyang igalaw. No, the psychological effect on it. So example, look at this. The Euro NCD, pag gumalaw yan ng ilang linggo, example, from the bottom to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. It's moving 1,600 pips if it trends. Okay? Pag nag-trending siya, grabe din. No, at what else? No? USD JPY. Mga Canadian JPY pairs. If it also moves, no, like ito, 4 na linggo, sunod-sunod, it will significantly move then, no, around 900 pips. Compare mo kila Euro USD, no, if you go to weekly din as well. Hindi sila, they're usually mean reverting by nature. Hindi sila totally isang straight na katulad to, straight nga to, pero the only move there until just mga 900. So very rare moments siya. Diba? Talaga nang gumagawa siya ng mga higher low, higher high. No? So that's why if you're new in Forex, okay, if you're trading major pairs, mas mababa dapat ang lot size mo. You can have high lot size with minor pairs, but take note that yung mga pairs na to are likely trending by nature. So pag may breakout sila, ibig sabihin, baba na talaga ng breakout. No? Baba na talaga ng breakout. Can you guys hear me? Yeah. Palinig niyo ba ako? Kasi ba lumalabas ng mga comment and all? Teka, i-reset ko. Lalabas ako ng room. I-refresh ko. Refresh. Ayan, I'm back. Ay, hindi ko narinig kayo eh. Paramdam kayo, paramdam. Ayan, okay. Alright, so example, yung trade call kanina, kahit yan 90% win rate yung trade call na yan, okay, normal mic. Okay. Normal na mic, mahina. Thank you. Hello, yan, okay. Lapit ko na lang. Lapit natin. Hanggang makain ko. So example, if you see a trade call, if you are in the community already, if you see a trade call, right? So example nito, saan dito? The SL here is 89 895. 895 yung SL no, diba? Layo. The SL here, it's not even the trade call here, sample ito. Yeah. Ang entry nito USD. The entry is, balik natin yung entry, I think 0.45. Tama? 745. 745. Yan. Bumalik siya sa mean. Bumalik ako sa negative dun. Yan, ito. Just to educate lang ng konti. 745. Yan. Yan. Dito yung entry, di ba? Entry, and then the SL is 1.0895. 1.0895. 1.0895. Right? Diba? Malayo SL nito, guys. No? That's a very, very huge. So imagine the peak there this is close to 3 times pips, 150 pips. So if you use a 0.1 lot size here, okay, dapat, if you susundan mo yung set cut loss yan, which hindi naman yan naka 1 hour, naka daily naman yung reading ng trade calls natin. Which is here at 150 pips. You can lose how much? You can lose 10 at 1.10 at $150. So yung risk reward niya is actually not 3:1. You can lose 3 at TP1, you can win 1. Malayo. So when we publish the trade calls, dapat first naintindihan mo paano yung pip and the cut loss. Kasi kung nakatingin ka lang sa game, hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo siya mamamanage properly. Because the signal that it's actually being provided, if you utilize properly, it can be powerful. So with this trade calls, actually, I never lost. Example, yung GBP USD, naka-exit na ako. GBP CAD. So, I know some of you guys, naka-short position pa doon, pero ako naka-exit na kasi I revise. So yung mga ganito, yung mga ganitong SL, ginagamitan naman ito 0.01 lot size. So, kasi mas maganda siya, maraming trades. Everyday kasi yan eh. Everyday yan, every 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, can be 9 o'clock. Ipapublish yung trade calls na yan. So pag tumama yung trade calls na yan, sunod-sunod, at 90% minute, malaki pa rin kikitain nyo. Okay? Pero, the problem there is, if hindi ka magpa-proper risk management, doon ka magkakaroon ng mga losses. Okay? Kasi layo nga ng SL. Okay? Why is it designed like that? Because it is back-tested na a lot of trades with a lot of win rate, 90% win rate. Meaning, sa siyam na trades yan, example, ganito siya, no? Siyam na trades niyan, 10, panalo, isa possible talo. 90% back-testing. So, pwede ka matalo ng 150 pips at 10 trades. Pero if makuha yung 2 pips, which is TP2, mga 50 pips, times 9, doble. 1:3 risk reward pa rin. No? 50 pips times 9, 9,450. Okay, so yung risk reward niyan is still very high. Okay, kasi counted on the pip, per 10 trades na ilalagay. So ang ginagawa ko dun isa is I would open, example, 0.5 ako mag-start. I would open one lot size with 0.01, one lot size with 0.02, one lot size with 0.03. So the total lot size here will 0.6. So kung makat loss ako, I would lose 75. So yung tatlo yun, naka-design at TP1, TP2. Okay? Pwede ko pang recovery trade yung isa. Example, itong USD nag-breakout. So pwede ako mag-entry dito ng isa semi-martingale ko or isa strike structure ko. No? Pag nag-recover yung trade, may exit ko siya at 20 pips overall. No? Pero kung pag sumunod naman yung trade call along with our trading plan, may TP1 at may TP2 ako. So overall, at 10 trades, I can earn more pips than cut loss. Kasi probability of this trade call is 90%. This trade call has been existed in the Elite Club since 2 years ago. 2 years ago na to. Pag magaganda yung market, pinapublish natin trade call. But right now, the good thing about this is bigibigay na siya for free sa mga shadow technique users, and next month, starting next month, it will be all for Izanagi users already. So sa Discord, ipapublish na siya for free every day. Okay? We're gonna make a short video how to, to manage it up from newbies even to advanced traders. So you would know the proper risk management. Kasi kung hindi siya maaayos with the proper risk management, hindi mo makakita na out of 10 trades, 9 dyan panalo. May possible dyan isa na talo, which is can give you negative 150 pips. Pero kung TP2 times 50, that's 450 pips. So you won how much? You won 300 pips on 10 trades at 90% win rate. So para siyang si Valkyrie. Si Valkyrie has a very, very high win rate. Look at this. But if Valkyrie is not managed properly and you have too much risk, mawawalan ka ng gana. No, kaya mga other users natin with Valkyrie, with higher risk, nawalan ng gana. Why? Look at the win rate of Valkyrie. Out of 378 trades, the win rate ratio is 72%. Sa 10 trade niya, may 3 possible siyang cut loss, may 3 siyang panalo. Di ba? Pero pag malaki yung risk mo kay Valkyrie, yung cut loss mo will be very significant. Lalo-lalo na pag naging dalawa siya. Kaya ako, in the past how many years? 1 year, I'm still down by 25% because the account is very, very high risk, but I understand how it works. So same yan sa trade calls. If you don't understand how it works, one cut loss will give you a negative psychology. One cut loss will give you a negative, though hindi pa naman tayo naka-cut loss so far, sa mga pinapublish ko, wala pa naman naka-cut loss. So far, understand the principle involved and implement a proper risk management. Makakasurvive ka long term. Maintindihan mo how it works. Ganda ng win rate. Katulad nito, Valkyrie, 72% win rate. No? But, negative ako. Pero okay lang. Kasi, auto-compounding si Valkyrie. It can significantly improve the account auto-compounded as the account grew. Diba? May cut loss yan, negative $400. Pero binawi niya noong December. Right now, $200 yung kinikita niya. So, bawi. Pero bumabawi siya sa win rate na number of pips won. Okay? So, that's why if you are in the community right now, again, let's have a review. Okay, understand the major pairs has a very, very huge pip value. Okay, which is what? AUD USD, EUR USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, which is a pip value of $10 per pip. $10 per pip. Okay? So, there. There's a question. Narinig naman. Ayun, pumasok na yung mga comments nyo. Ngayon lang pumasok. Narinig naman. Thank you, Ronald. Yes, sir, pero mahina. Normal mic. Yan, ngayon lang pumasok. Nagtanong pa ako sa Discord ko, sa shadow kung narinig kayo. Narinig naman. Okay, sir, equal ba location nyo kay Valkyrie Izanagi? To be honest, yes and no. Okay, here. Ang allocation ko kay Valkyrie is around $4,500. The deposit is $4,500. Kay Izanagi is actually mas mababa initially, but right now I'm maintaining my Izanagi account at close to 1 AM already. So, since scalper account, once this is recovered, actually naglalagay ako kay Valkyrie pag nagka-cut loss siya. So each time mag-cut loss siya, nagpapalalagyan ko. cut loss lalagyan ko. So, I'm maintaining my Valkyrie close ito at 250,000 pesos. Yung Izanagi close to 1 M. So, compared to Valkyrie and Izanagi is actually high risk compared to kay Valkyrie. Sa Valkyrie kasi may cut loss to eh. So, it cut loss sometimes, no? Most of the time, nagka-cut loss siya, but it's fully automated. So, ayan, may mga cut loss to siya. Asan yung cut loss itong malalaki? Yeah, di ba? Daming win dito. Minsan malalaki ng win nito. Di ba? Gaganda ng trades, no? Daming green. Pero pag nag-cut loss, masakit. Ito, katulad nito. Di ba? Almost $400 cut loss. Ito din, nag-cut loss siya. $300 cut loss. Not this one pala. Net profit this one. $300 yung cut loss ng GBP cut sa yung trade na to, which is nung November. Another cut loss it made is November. Marami ng November. So, I'm maintaining this scalper kasi yung strategy nito. So, I'm maintaining it at this amount lang. Okay? So, I think that's it for our lesson for tonight. Okay? Always know the peak value, which is your major pair. Pag major pair ka, ingat ka because pag nag-draw down yan against you, no, it can snowball. If nag-semi-martingale ka or nag-shadow trade ka, two things yung nakikita mo dyan. Every lot na ilagdag mo dyan, malaki yung per pip per move. Okay? But the good thing about it, on this mga major pair, there are mean reverting by nature. So, bumabalik sila sa mean nila, usually on a sideways, compare to the low pip value pero trending. Lalo na if you're doing counter trade, no? So that's why for JPY pairs, note JPY pairs, I'm not doing a counter trend. I'm not doing I follow yung mga yung galaw nila. Example, let's say GBP, dito tayo dito. Sabihin natin USD JPY, mga neutral pair yan. Tingin tayo sa Izanagi table. Shadow table. Yan. Isang JPY, GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. Yan. GBP, JPY. Yan. GBP, JPY is pag nag-trend, grabe rin mag-trending, di ba? So, look at the trend it usually made, no? Isang move, it can move one day, can move 800 pips, di ba? One day, it can move 300 pips, no? Grabe kasi trending nga siya, may feature. Okay, meaning to say, mahina yung one pair to another pair. Hindi sila almost as equal. Kaya grabe sila gumalaw. Pero on average, major pair moves 6 to 80 pips per day. So imagine mo, this is times 4. Tapos magsha-shadow ka. Tapos malalaking lot sa JPY. Pwede kang kaingan ng buhay dito. Katulad dito. Example, yung bought at support. Diba? Example, yung bought at support. Tapos example, hinog na yan. You don't understand the pip value to begin with. Tapos binagsak ka, no? Ayan, sunog ka talaga. 800 pips one day. No? 800 pips one day. So, flash crash ka talaga. So, with this kind of pair, especially with shadow advance, no? Ingat ako. Dapat yung mga entry ko dyan is major supports, katulad dito. Actually, hindi nga ako nag-entry dito. Before, meron tayong entry before dito. Hindi ko sinabayan yan kasi I'm considering hindi ako sumabay nito Example yan, no? May support yan dito. Pero I'm considering this area. Okay? Dito siya nag-bounce, di ba? Pero I'm considering this 600. So sabi ko kung mag-shadow ako dito, 600, I can open how many positions, no? 20 positions more kung at 30 pips. No? Sabi ko kung 10 position lang, marami-rami rin. Kasi malayo yung possible na bounce ito kung magtuloy yan. Kasi it can really move against you. Nag-breakdown ng support yan dito. Nag-consolidate, breakdown ng support. So, nakakatakot siya gawin by that. So, mga ganyan, hindi ko siya totally sinashadow. Ang ginagawa ko when I see pag shadow technique, kukunin ko yan, hinog na. Talagang hinog na. Which is, on the max peak drawdown, then dapat major support. Pero if trading like JPY pairs, I usually do technical analysis with them, which is within their trend. So example, this one. Okay? So example, already on this pair, it really made a already retest fail and a breakdown of this major trend. Tapos may retest pa ulit. So it's now coming into a downtrend area. So getting a short position is a likelihood that I can win against the market compared na naglo-long pa ako sa kanya kasi ang pabagsak na siya. So kasi nga trending siya by nature. So with that, if USD JPY, the peak value of USD JPY is around so dito yung sa USD JPY 7.54 or 8 pips. So, nasa secondary pair siya. So, mas mag-ingat ako, like close to the ano siya. So, maghanap ako ng mga short position with this one. Dito ako ba, possible entry ako dyan, kung pumunta dyan. Depende how the structure will go on a weekly chart or even on a monthly chart. Okay? So, getting a short position will be good than, like, sasabayan mo because may shadow. Ingat ka talaga. Lalo na, they are trending by nature. Grabe, tingnan mo how they trending there are. Tingnan mo how they trending there compared to a Euro USD, bumabalik pa, nagkakaroon pa ng highs and lows. Ito talaga, pag nag-trend, grabe. So, kung ma-martingale ka dito, delikado. So, don't do that. Okay? What time usually publish ang trade call? 4 o'clock? 5 o'clock? Depends kung kailan ibigay ni market. Depends kung kailan ibigay ni market. Remember, the trade calls will still depends on the market movement. Depends on the market movement. Okay? Mga patikim pa yan because there are a lot of things gonna happen and that's why I would like to invite you guys to invite your friends to trade with the community because the community is really giving a lot of value to all of us, especially with the research and development team, on this kick-off conference in Izanagi community. Why? We're gonna have a lot. We're gonna announce the new trading technique that we're gonna give you, which is a swing trading for free using statistical analysis and indicators. We're gonna have, ang dami eh. We're gonna have motivational factor for you to trade. Aside from learning, giving you, and there is really a lot to really, the reason why you would join the conference next Monday. So invite your friends, apply to be a leader, mag-refer ka na ng Izanagi kasi once we close it, sayang opportunity for you to earn additional income if you're gonna be part of the leaders program. Yung mga nag-apply ng leaders program, sayang, sinasayang yung opportunity kung hindi nyo rin gagamitin. Sayang kasi, you have already Izanagi as an ultimate trend. You just need to share. Share mo lang. Ito yung kinikita ko. Then, pakita nyo. It's not that much, but it's as an automated, it's free. May trade call after. Trader ka, pasok ka sa amin. Ito pwede mong panununan. Ito yung mga pwede mong mangyari. Ito yung ginagamit namin. Ito yung kinikita ng mga namin. Ito, may MyFX book pa sila. Diba? Hindi katulad ng tuturo lang doon, pero wala namang MyFX book. Diba? Tapos yung MyFX book pa yan, 80% ng drawdown, hindi controlled. So, profit-oriented. But with us, we can teach you different techniques with what? Proper risk management as well. And, katulad dito, diba? Shadow technique natin, at 23% drawdown, pero we're already at 100% on the shadow technique. So, because the discipline is there, we're really trying to make as disciplined as possible with the high-risk trading we can be. So, I think, hanggang dyan na lang yan talaga kasi nilakihan ko na yung capital ngayon. Tapos, low lot size. So, hindi na yung tataas. So, wala pa tong trade yata recently. Negative pa nga. Negative $21 January pa. Pero, last month, 83% first month, second month, third month, 10%. Pwede na, di ba? So, yun. So, isa yun. Sa mga mangyari, we're gonna give you a lot of things to talk about to your friends that who wants to trade in Forex. And marami, kahit sa Wise Investors PH na Discord, we're gonna fixing the Wise Investors PH Discord as well. Where we are giving also the possible na by request the fair value of a stock in US or any parts of the world. If you're not a elite member, mag-request ka lang daw if may mag-post sa'yo, din swerte mo, di ba? So yan, may matutunan ka pa. REITs, we can give you insights on what's happening in the REITs. What are the free REITs na ipapublish natin na bilhin because of this, because of that. Stock, no? Doon din, ilalagay dyan. Ano yung binibili ko na stock that you can earn. So why am I buying it as well? So makikita mo yan with the community and Wise Investors page on Discord. So inaayos din yung Wise Investors page Discord. That will focus on the US market and NPSE. NPSE. Kasi all the Forex will be in the Izanagi community din. So that's the design. Okay? So at least lahat ng market pwede mo pagkakitaan. No? And you are equipped with the right tools to begin. No? Example, yeah. Buti na benta ko si All Home pala. Okay? So let's check the market. We're done at that session. I hope it gives value to you. Tingnan natin SPX 500. Yeah, SPX 500. Ang ganda ng SPX 500. Let me show on my indicator. Ang ganda ng SPX 500. Breaking the M at 20 already. Today, going full recovery na tayo, guys. Hopefully, it will do a breakout from the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, but let's see on the daily chart. The daily chart is actually creating a breakout today. Uy, excited ako nito. Makatrade nga yun. Parang instead of Friday yung scalping session natin, parang ngayon yung maganda. Tingnan natin ang Nasdaq. Yung on ko na. Okay, nagkakaroon siya ng breakout. Alright, so ang gusto natin makita dito, it will fully break out and retest this range, which is a very, very significant resistance on SPX 500. Let me see. May wala pa siya. How about the tech stocks? Actually, the tech stocks is the one very, very strong within the last few days, to be honest. Lakas niya. Because why? The tech stocks in US is creating multiple supports, which is very strong. More than 3 is enough. 4 is a bonus already. So, our one topic that we had last few days ago is if you're gonna add the position last Monday, so kung naglagay ka ng mga posisyon doon sa recommend ko, malaki na yung mga kinita mo. Example, ito ng NVIDIA. Diba, NVIDIA, sinabi ko na ito nung Monday, dito pa lang, sabi ko, bumili na kayo because most likely yan, it's retesting the support, the breakout line, and creating a right head and shoulder pattern. No? If you bought on that already, may catalyst pa siyang inilabas, you're already up by 13%. If magkaroon pa ito ng breakout, tuloy-tuloy pa yan. But this is just slightly discounted, yung stock na to. So, isa yan, no? Pinakita natin. At the same time, trend call natin on the stock is this one, di ba? Si Signa. Sabi ko, bili na kayo dito sa pulang kandila na to because the technique on the masterclass is what we call Chidori. Okay? So, if you bought that one, you're already up by 2%, back to 1%. Okay? Back to 1% ka na. So, pwede mo na itipi yan by mga 3 to 4%. Hanggang dito, 6% maximum. 90% win rate, nilagay natin ito si Signa. Yan, balik natin sa index. Ang ganda ang pinapakita ng index. Sobrang lupit. One is this. Okay, huwag natin ito natin each. May cloud pa. Okay? May breakout siya. It's sustaining the breakout. Most likely what I'm seeing here, it will create another sideways market here. So, adding a position tonight, for me, it's still okay. Within the range support pa naman yan. Okay, within the range support. But if you're close to this upper box, wag na. Kasi you are nearing a very strong resistance na. So, pag bumalik na yan, ulit konti, nag-create ng arrow sa kakamagdagdag. Pero ngayon, wala mo na. At but trading it tonight, pwede. Mag-long positions. Wala pa. Hindi pa siya nagpo-full reversal. But I'm excited. I'm excited. Tingnan natin ang opening ng mga blue chips. Okay, mag-open din Amazon at close to 1% tonight. Okay, actually pattern itong binubuo ni Amazon eh. Tanggalin natin ito. This is a pattern. Ayan, no? Pag nag-tighten yung volatility niyan, magandang pattern yan. I think this is falling wedge. So pag nag-breakout yan fully, magandang pattern kasi nung nagre-restrict yung mga support naging aggressive sila. And then the resistance also is creating a higher. So pag na-full reverse yan, this is a reversal pattern. A reversal pattern. Okay, on Amazon. So since it will open on a positive, most likely doing a long position on Nasdaq is a very, very good trade to make. Baka mag-entry ako dito ng trade kay Nasdaq. Okay, for our chart. Okay, most likely, ito yan. Tingnan natin dito. Okay, tama. Tingnan natin dito. Tingnan natin ng konting replant. Wala pa. Bali, yung magandang play dito is kung mag-retrace to sa opening, bumagsak, long position tayo. I think that's gonna be my play here. Dito siguro. If maglaro yan, bumagsak ng konti, good. If magkaroon ng breakout naman dito, better. So, isa yan sa mga titingnan ko later. Maganda yung pinapakita niya eh. Tapos maganda rin yung opening later. So, I said, alright, so type your stock request right now. Let me know what stocks you want to check for the next 15 to 20 minutes or pair or Forex or Pse on the comment section. Let me just stock request na open. Stock request na open. Now open. There you go. Okay, meron ba? Ano mapasok na comments? Parang naglolo yung ano natin. Anyway, check natin. PSE. Actually, may resistance talaga si PSE. It really made this resistance, respected resistance niya to on PSE. So, kung mag-retrace niya yan, with that note, I think the 382 level will be the next support. So, I think this one, ang magiging next support nito. Since it's actually doing a reversal pattern naman nangyari kay PSE. So, most likely, if masustain yan, maganda-ganda yung gagawin ni PSE. So, I'm excited what PSE is actually doing. Okay, actually, ito, Ichimoku Cloud, labas na rin siya. Which is before, pinirespeto niya ba itong cloud? Nire-respeto naman niya. Reversal na. And actually, meron ding crossover span there. I think dito nga talaga yung magiging support nito. Yan. Sakto-sakto pati Ichimoku kino-confirm yung technical ko. Yan. So, within this range can be a next opportunity to buy. So, baka dyan ako mamili for PSE in the next few days, in the next few months, in the next few days, in the next few weeks for PSE. So, yan. Especially with my dividend stocks. Let's wait for that. What else am I checking? Tingnan natin si Izanagi ngayon, may open trades. How many trades it made today? 522%. May open position pa siya. We're close to 1%. The micro account, the live is same, 110%. Same trade at 33.8%. Okay. Ayan, live account. Okay. All right, any question? Any question on the stocks or meron kayong gusto patingin? Let me know. May gusto ba kayo? Yan. I hope mag-give value sa inyo kayo ng PIP value. Kasi iba doon nalilito eh. Gusto na yung PIP value nila, pero hindi na alam mag-move. Especially mga GBP. Laki ng move ng GBP. Yung mga GBP, mabigat yan. Mabigat yung GBP. So, ingat kayo dyan. Okay? 9:47. Okay, we're last 15 minutes. Let me check my other stocks that I have. Kaya natin ang China market. Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index. Parang gumagawa rin ng head and shoulder to. Magre-resistance na. Magre-resistance na pero reversal din. No? Lakas. China market is already making a reversal pattern. Parang tatamaan na yata ni China yung magre-reverse dito. Dito ako mag-a-add ng Alibaba. Baka magbenta ako some of my Alibaba recently. Ang laki din ang inangat ni Alibaba, no? I'm already up. May Alibaba ko already up eh. Kasi dito ako bumibili pa lang. Almost close to a lot of percent with Alibaba. Bumili ka, 93% ka na doon, no? Kay Alibaba. Yeah, check ko yung GoTrade account ko. Magko-close position ba ako sa long term lang? Long term lang siguro ako. Hindi ito pakikialaman para less stress. 27%. Nakadalawang balik na ako kay Alibaba. ST Lauder. Last ST Lauder. ST Lauder. Actually, resistance. Halos lahat pala, no? Pero nasa above moving average 200 na sila. Yun ang maganda sa kanya. Nasa almost resistance na pala lahat. No? FB. Laki ng inaw si FB. Breakout si FB pero going down later. Which is the breakout nga. We expected natin ibalik dito. Yeah, what time pa ito tapos na to? DMC. DMC Holdings. Actually, isa rin ako sa mga nagmo-monitor ng DMC. Ganda ka ng DMC, no, in terms of its movement, no? Talagang ang laki ng inangat niya. Pero for DMC right now, nagmo-momentum siya with this consolidation. Two things lang. Pag nag-breakout yan, bumili ka kasi nagko-consolidate with low volume. Okay, pag may-breakdown yan, hintayin mo dito na range. Kasi nagko-consolidate din siya pababa. So, kung walang bumili na new buyers dyan, bumagsak yan, most likely magkakaroon ng bounce yan na 10.70 range for DMC. So, huwag mo na itong abulin. Pero pag nag-breakout to, pasok. So, let me know. Pag nag-breakout tong 12, okay, pasok tayo dyan. Pasok tayo dito. So, kaya pala, malapit-lapit na to. So, most likely, pag nag-breakout yan, additional 20% more to 10% to 20% more for DMC. Momentum kasi siya. And for this kind of stocks, it's super up. Ang bilis ng trend line. Okay na okay dito. Ang bilis ng trend line. No? Yeah, ayun. That's our play there. So, balikan natin to ng close to 11 peso, or if ituloy niya itong momentum, then we can do momentum trading here. If mag-breakout to. Okay? So, most likely may mangyayari dito kay DMC in the next 2 to 3 days. So, which is Wednesday, Friday. Expect volatility on DMC Friday or Monday. It's either a breakdown or a breakout. Okay? Breakdown or breakout. Dalawa lang naman yun. I'm expecting a move there. So, pwede na tingnan by Thursday or Friday. Actually, Thursday, Friday, Monday, crucial na yan for DMC. Okay, with that kind of move. Mga additional 8%. Pwede i-trade. Pwede nga i-day trade yan eh. Pwede i-day trade for DMC. Let me check the other mga REITs. Technical size ng mga REITs. Ayan, ito. I'm really expecting a move from here. Umangat siya pero walang volume na new buyers are coming. So I think it's trying to form a symmetrical triangle here. As long as low volatility, okay lang yan. Baka magdagdag pa ako for Emirate here. Because yeah, maganda yun. Nag-breakout na siya, nag-double bottom pa. So most likely it's just looking for something. No? Hindi natin alam kung ano. May tingnan natin ang mga REITs. REITs, yeah, A-REIT, yeah. So A-REIT actually is a reversal pattern already. What I like about A-REIT, it's actually doing a consolidation, coiling, what's what I call it. No? It's coiling between two moving average. So malakas yung impact nito if magkaroon ng breakout from this asset. So I'm just enjoying the dividends it's giving. It's close to 6%. The question is, it's still discounted. Tingnan natin. I haven't reviewed this asset. So, throw in the chat box may gusto kayo while I review yung mga gusto ko din. Ito. Hindi ko rin nare-review kasi masyado. Tingnan natin tong valuation nito. Okay, slightly discounted. Fair value is slightly discounted. Still discounted. Pwede pa din siya. The dividends, I think it's giving close to 6% annually. If I'm correct, yeah. Close to 6%. Mataas pa yan. Average lang yun, 3% with the price that they had in the past, no? With A-REIT. What I like right now as well to add more is Vista REIT and MREIT is number 2, Vista REIT. Tingnan natin ang Vista REIT. Technical tayo sa Vista REIT. Low volume, but I've actually been telling my followers to buy at 1.48 because I saw something here within. No, and the dividend yield is close to 8%. Laki ng dividend yield nito. So right now it's still discounted on Vista REIT. Tama ba yung ano pa tama? Vista REIT, yeah. At dividend yield, discounted pa rin itong asset na to for valuation. Tingnan natin dito. Wala masyadong data but still discounted. Wala. Yun ang ayoko rin sa PSC masyado. Discounted pero kulang yung history. Trailing dividend yield. Ba't bumaba dividend yield nito? Parang may pinadala kanina natin ito. Parang alam ko mga 6%, 7% to. Okay? Check natin ngayon si Pagkas pa ba? RCR. RCR, same kay A-REIT. Oh, ganda yung pinapakita. After the reversal, it's consolidating, which is still good. Consolidate siya after the reversal. I like what it's doing. Okay, the dividend valuation, is it still discounted? Question natin dito. RCR. RLC remotion. Tingnan natin dito. Financials valuation. Valuation, still discounted. Very good pa din to entry. Long term. Okay pa rin naman to. Not financial. I want dividends. Last, 6.47%. So, very good. RCR still okay to add. Kahit sa mga support positions. Kahit ngayon, kahit bukas. Pwede bumili nito. If you're really up to dividends, yun yung muna dito. No? CRIT, mahal pa rin ng CRIT. Field rate, mahal pa din. Hindi natin iba. May mga nakita ako recently when I'm reviewing it. Ito, MRC. Ang ganda, oh. Yan. Ganda rin pinapakita ni MRC. So, look at that, no? Already made a full reversal, consolidated. Napag-usapan natin to before. Wala lang volume. We're just waiting for volume to come in. But I like the technicals. No? Nag-consolidate and create at the higher high, higher low. No, retain above plus going momentum. So, yan. Ganda nga rin pinapakita nito. So, kung bibili ka, tomorrow, I would still suggest to buy. Within nasa range ka pa ng buy ng momentum. Cut-loss ka lang ng mga 6%, pwede na yan. Kung bilang babalik sa box. 6% rate mo, then kung 12%, nakapin mo yung 12% dito. So, kahit resistance ka, kung kita ka na, 1:1. 12% is here. 30% maliit na to kay IMRC. So, isa to sa mga possible na mga mag-high flyer in the next few days. Sa nakikita ko. Alam ba, tignan ko nga yung mga position ko recently para meron akong mabigay sa'yo. Jollibee, okay pa si Jollibee. Ano si Jollibee? AFC. Sa blue chip. Ayan, may sinasalo pa ng sinalo pa today. Kung bumili ka today ito, maganda. Sinalo ng 618, moving average 20, very good. Talagang gusto niyang i-create yung reverse head and shoulder, which is a reversal pattern. Double bottom pa on a short-term perspective. Jollibee can still be a good buy up until here. If you're long-term. Fair value nito, okay lang naman. Slightly discounted, pero technically maganda siya because it's doing a very, very good long channel. Sige nga lang, it's trading below the channel. But maganda pa lalo pag i-rake out niya. So, babalik yan sa channel na yan. On a uptrend. Kasi reversal na to full reversal na siya. So, uptrend siya. So, you can never go wrong with this kind of stock. Na-uptrend na siya. What else? MRC. MRC is really the one ng pintrinan ko. On PSE ha. Okay. Alright, so 15 minutes to go. Let's check some of the US market. Then, it's gonna be a good Wednesday to everyone. Check natin. Hindi natin ang Phillies. Yes, market. Ano nangyari kahapon? What's the trading yesterday? Okay, tingnan natin here. Alright, so it's blight red on consumer cyclical. Super green on consumer cyclical. Alright, then semiconductors is doing good as a sector in general. Tingnan din natin sa groups. Analyze. Consumer cyclical talaga. Basic materials, communication, basic materials and consumer. Basic materials. Kasi papunta summer, no? Tama. Pa-summer kaya basic materials. Tingin tayo dito. So, nandito sa consumer cyclical. eBay, Etsy. Ano ito mga pwede i-trade. Pag okay na yung account ko, mag-day trade ako dito. Ayan. Etsy. Uy, ganda rin ni Etsy Ganda nito guys there you go. Parang maganda bilhin sa Etsy tonight. Tagalin ko mag-screen. Diba? Breakout. Supported. Diba? And breakout here. Pag nag-green yan tonight, tuloy-tuloy na yan. So, gumagawa ng mga support, above support. Tapos kahapon supposedly yung pinaka-major bili, pero pag nag-breakout pa ito na, ang ganda na papakita ng Etsy. Full already, reversal pattern already, creating multiple V recoveries. Baka mag-iitsura nito ganito, ang angat niyan. Yan. Ayan. So, dahan-dahan yung maangat ng big cap. So, if you feel niya yung gap na to, pag ganun yung niyan, mabilis na to. Pag nag-breakout to, baka mabilis to. For Etsy. Technically. Fundamentally, not quite sure. Hindi ko pa na-review. Pero something to really look into Etsy to. Kaya ko nga to sa watch list ko. What else? Na pwedeng i-friend follow. Trend follow. Amazon. Amazon, okay naman talaga yan forever. GM, Nvidia, QCOM, NXPI. 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 Hindi pa. Okay. Home improvement here. Railroads. Basic materials. Healthcare. Communication. Actually, to be honest, ang pinaka-bad naman na tinamaan so far was communication services. Ito yung pinaka-tinamaan last year. Ito, tingnan nyo. 1-year performance. Diba? So, ang pinaka-tinamaan sa 1 year sa US is the communication services, consumer, cyclical, tsaka technology stocks. So, kung titignan mo din dyan dito, sa 1 year na to, is the same. Diba? Consumer, technology, tsaka communication service. So, if something will bounce back this year, it will within these three sectors, lalong-lalo na pag nag-recover ang US market. Kasi automatic yan eh, the discounted stocks, the likes of Amazon, the likes of Google, the likes of Meta. Actually, Apple, I've been looking for Apple. Review ko nga si Apple. Recommend ko ng mentor ko eh. Kaya pala nila-recommend. Ang ganda rin ng angat eh. Makabili nga ako ng Apple support ko. 50,000 pesos lang. Kaya natin binagsak ito from the high. 28%. Gandang sideways ang ginawa niya. Tignan nga sa weekly chart. Okay, nag-bottom siya dito. So, ilang percent to from this 200? 10%. Pwede ko i-consider. Baka bilhin ko to sa monthly. Wala akong Apple eh. Kaya may 50 nga dito. Apple. Kung bumagsak yan, dapat may pambili pa ako dito. For Apple. Yeah. The next will be 32%. Laki na. So, since it's doing a major support already, pwedeng bilhin for Apple. Yeah, support here. Pwede. Okay. Ayan. So, last 10 minutes. BFC. Here it is. BFC pre-market. Parang late na to. Wait lang, tingnan natin. Parang late ka na ng konti. It's been doing already. You are near a very strong resistance already. Nasa resistance range ka na. It already made significant So, kahit may breakout ka nakita dito at may the gap to fill, meron kang near resistance na, so medyo late na to. So, if you want to enter on this, I would suggest to wait for the pullback happen around this range. Yan. So, aangat yan. Pwede yan ang mga hanggang dito, pero magre-retrace yan. So, kung kuha ka ngayon, dapat you know when to exit this kind of stock already. So, example, ng mga tiyan dito, babalik yan kasi masyado na mataas yung binagsak eh. So, masyado na mataas yung retracement. Yan. Masyado na mataas yung retracement. Yan. So, you are in the resistance range for me. Expected na to, few percentage lang hangat to, then most likely 2%, 4% max, then magre-retrace. So, doon ka lang sa retracement. Pag successful yung retracement, which is, mag-create na naman ng higher lows dito. Yan, dito ka kumuha. So, pag successful to, start pataas, pasok ka. Kasi meaning establish yung support. Pero for now, habulin mo siya. That's a no-no for me. No-no for me. Hindi siya as clear. No? Pwede si now, anong possibilities? Now, corporation. Now, corporation, nag-rally to Okay, nag-rally siya. For now, corporation, I would suggest don't look at the fundamentals of now. Ibig sabihin ng fundamentals of now, don't look at the valuation. Kasi speculative stock siya eh. Why? Tingnan mo I'm gonna give you one objective principle. Kasi ganito siya eh. Tayo sa PSE, dalawa kasi yung fundamentals na intindi natin. Ito, suspense to ng konti. Okay? Lagyan natin ng ganyan para makita mo yung suspense na mukha ko. Una yung fundamentals sa pinag-uusapan natin sa PSE is yung catalyst. Diba? May yung chismis, yung buy the rumor. Diba? Yan yung fundamentals na alam natin. Which is, yan din yung pinapaintindi ng mga ibang natuturo. Which is still okay because that's still fundamentals. But that's not objective. Why? Speculation is speculation. It's chismis. No? It could be my insider and all. It's not objective fundamentals. So example, sabihin natin what happened to Now Corporation is natanggap siya na part na nag-bid sa third telco, di ba? That's the fundamentals. Yes, natanggap siya. Pero, would that reflect to its business? Hindi pa sure. So, what will happen when there is a rumor? Aangat yan, todo. Magkakaroon ng euphoria. Yung the price will go above its fair value, its real business. But, if it's not converted to sales or profits, it will go back to its mean or fair value. Babagsak. Time will tell. Time is the enemy of those kind of stocks. Kasi time will tell na babagsak sila. Because fundamentally, they're not stable by returns. So, if I would suggest, if you are a PSE trader investor, alam mo hindi yan blue chip, at nandun yan sa mga maliliit na kumpanya, huwag mo na tingnan yung fundamentals because these companies are not earning. So what would you do? Technicals. Pag technicals yung approach mo, better to really have a cut loss. Okay? Yung mga kinds ni Jollibee, mga kinds ni Ayala Corporation, pwede mo i-long term yan, pero dapat bibili mo sila on a good margin of safety. Pero in the kind of Now Corporation, as mentioned, it's not really making money. So, the question is, two things. May matatanong, so bakit umangat yung presyo? Inulit ko lang. Kasi, most likely, they are buying the rumor. Sumasakay sa rumor. So, if hindi ka marunong mag-TP, yun yung magiging problema. So, that's what happened and that's my experience before. So, I follow the fundamentals and my understanding of the fundamentals is the rumor, which is wrong. It's not objective. No, it's speculation, speculative fundamentals if I've been appointed personally. Okay? So, financials. Look at the financials of Now. If Morningstar, look oh. It's gaining revenue pero the net income is negative. It's actually double their statement of income. So, meaning to say, no, the net income, they're losing money. The company is losing money on its operation. They're not gaining money. So that's the problem. And that's business. The reason why you're investing on that business, not because the stock price, but the stock is actually earning. Because when the stock or the company is earning, the stock price will sustainably go up. Okay? Will go back to its fair value. Okay? So, that's why, ititingnan natin technical Now, umangat siya ng ganyan. Huwag mo tingnan yung fundamentals. Tingnan natin yung technicals na. So, meaning, i-exit tayo at magtitipi tayo. O titingnan natin. Example. Okay? So, ngayon, hindi natin titingnan yung fundamentals kasi alam nga natin basura to. What we're gonna do is look at the technicals involved. Okay. So first, it's already made a very long consolidation, which is good because it breaks this major resistance. So itong major resistance, nagkaroon ng week off dito, nag-consolidate, ibinagsak. Ito na yan. Okay, consolidate, then it tried to go back, then made a markup. So may na manipulation na nangyayari ulit. So when the manipulation happens, inangat siya, okay, with a very, very large volume and large candle, babagsak yan. The question is where? Okay, so nakikita ko dito. Alright, so mga buying points for swing trade nito is here. Okay, here. And here. Itong ratio to. Okay? So, kung gusto mo makalaya, okay, kung gusto mo makalaya, i-trade mo. Pero ito-trade mo, ipapasok mo, bababa mo yung average mo. Example, you have 50% decline. With 100,000, naging 50,000. Pag pumunta sa significant level niya, pasukin mo para bumaba yung average mo. Kasi bibili ka 100,000, pababa yung average mo, di ba? Pag mali ka, i-cut loss mo. Yung pinasok mo. Para yung average price mo bumababa din. Okay, bumababa yung average. Example, naglagay ka initially 100,000. The value right now is negative 50% o 50,000 na lang. Pagpunta sa mga significant level, which is, ito nga, nakikita ko dito magbabounce to. Which is may moving average 20 pa. Or the 0.5. Most likely dito muna yan, magbabounce yan dito. I-trade mo. Pero i-exit mo lang kagad. Okay, i-exit mo lang kagad. Kasi yung mabilis na to, pwede yan mabilis ulit or pwedeng bumalik ulit yan sa baba. Pero right now, the good thing about it is trading on a reversal pattern. So, reversal pattern, pwede niyang habulin to eh. Okay, pwede niyang puntahan talaga yan. May posibilidad. It will depend on the one who is actually manipulating this stock. So, pinamanipulate yung stock na to. Sa naman niya. So, ibig sabihin, kung papasok ka dito, dapat may cut loss ka. May cut loss. May cut loss ka dito, papasok ka, may cut loss. So, the significant points I'm looking into is this range and this range. Yan. Okay? So, yun. Papasok ko sa mga points na yan. Example. Pakita ko sa iyo, ha? So, dito. Pakita tayo ng konting talo na positions. Yan. Okay. Alright. Example dito. Pakita ko sa iyo, ha? For example, this is how I trade na, no? First is I have losing positions, but I understand how it works, no? Example, this one. I hope this would inspire you or even make you learn that in trading, hindi laging positive yan. Pag positive yan, pag bull market. Pero pag bear market, you need to know what you're doing. Example, this one. So in my port in PSE, tanggalin natin itong pabigay. Ayan, sorry, kamali ako. Okay, example, nakita niyo yung percentage allocation. Diba? Kita niyo yan. Kita niyo yung negative 23%. Kita mo tong Filinvest negative 20%. Diba? Malaki yung negative eh. Pero this is this. I know what I'm doing in a way na my exposure to port is 5% lang dito. Because I can easily recover it. Because when I enter at 3 peso level ni dito Telecom, 4 peso, 4.4, I know already to begin with what I'm doing that this is the speculative investment. Speculative position trading. No? So, meaning, umentry ako dito, I think, naglagay yata ako dito 3%, 2% lang within the support. So, iniwan ko lang. 2% lang naman ang port yun. Despite I'm declined by 32,000, I can easily manage this. Okay? Example, on my Filinvest REIT, the goal here is not the capital gain, but the dividends. So I bought it, the price that I want for exposure rate, but it's not fully like MREIT. Hindi siya naka-full MREIT. Hindi rin siya naka-full sa RCR. So hindi yan naka-full allocation compared sa iba. Kasi the fundamentals of FILREIT is expensive. So kaya pansin mo yung allocation ko, 8% lang. Okay? Jollibee. Diba? This is only growth stock trade. I look at the valuation but only trade. Ito, trade lang. 3%. 6% yan, pero may cut loss to, so I already took profit. Yung kalahati right now. No? GT Cap, di ba? Negative 11,000, 22%, pero the allocation is 2%. So kahit iwan ko yan forever, it would not affect my total port. No? Because initially, this is only 2%. Nag-increase lang ako ng allocation because technically maganda siya. Minamanage ko na siya. Okay? Kasi maganda na siya as a speculative. So, if you can manage it properly, pagdating ng bull market, isa ka sa mga malalaking kikita because first, your port is fully diversified with objective. Objective in growth stock, objective ka sa trading, objective ka sa position trading, meron ka rin speculative investing, which is yung dito telecom. Speculative. Then may MRIT ko. Laki 239,000, 333,000 already starting to go green because nag-full allocation na ako because of the fundamentals, buy and hold. Long, 20% inabot yan, nabenta ko na yung kalahati, nag-earn, binili ko na yan, yan ang pinambili ko ng MRC. No? MRC, tingnan mo yung allocation ko, 30,000 lang at 2%. Kasi speculative pa rin siya. So, tinitest buy ko lang. So, kahit bagsak yan, hindi ako tingin ng isang linggo dyan, hindi ako magugulantang. And as a trainer, hindi ako takot mapakita ng port na may negative ako. Actually, sa masterclass ko, pinapakita ko yung buong port ko. Lahat ng port ko pinapakita ko. Because first, before I enter a trade, I already understand what it is for. And I'm more focused, two things, on the allocation and the type of investment. Is this speculative? Is this long-term? Is this for dividends? Because the amount that I'm investing is not for growth already. It's not just trading na one time, all in 2 million, 3 million, tapos ilalabas mo siya. Ang laking oras na kakainin yun sa akin. Mas gusto ko pang i-manage Izanagi because millions of dollars yung minamanage ko, nakasama kayo. Pero on my account, dapat risk management muna yung pinapakita ko. Kasi, di ba? Example, yes, malaki 32,000. Pero nakita mo yung allocation, 5% lang. 3% lang. So, pag umabot yun ng specific level, example, dito telecom. Same with now. I-manage ko na yan para makuha ko yung proper average. Kasi initially, at 20% na nakuha ko yung 4 peso. Di ba? So, nagdagdag ako recently. Bakit ako nagdagdag? No? Nagre-reversal na siya. I think dito ako kumuha initially sa kanya. Nasaan pa yung call ko? Wala. Initially, ang average ko 0.44. Ito. Yan. Dito ako kumuha. Dito ako nag-average down before. Nagko-consolidate siya. Bumagsak. Di ba? Pinabayaan ko lang. Kasi ang initial allocation ko dyan, kino-consider ko pa to. Ito, tsaka ito. Pag bumalik ng piso, may pambili pa ako. Pag umangat naman siya, o di okay lang, kasi speculative investment naman siya. Kung mag-full reversal siya, umangat siya ng 500%, okay lang, ma-manage ko, dadagdagan ko na lang. No? Pero, I'm actually protecting the downside. What if hindi? Katulad ng nangyari sa akin sa kanya. What if hindi, ganun nga nangyari. Diba? What if hindi, na bumagsak siya katulad ng nangyari ngayon. Diba? Bumagsak siya ng 23%. Initially, this is 30% nga when I bought it. Diba? Ano mangyayari sa akin ngayon? Kakadlos ko siya kagad, pwede. Pero kung wala akong oras, hindi ko siya makikita. So, kinaclassify ko na siya as speculative investment. So, ngayon, minamanage ko siya. That's why I'm telling you, sir, doon, na bumili ako dito. When nag-breakout siya dyan, nagdagdag ako. Kaya the allocation increased to 5%. So, ngayon, pag bumagsak ulit yan, yung binili ko dyan, ibebenta ko yan. Example, 5,000. So, at least my average went down. Pero pag nagtuloy-tuloy yan, sabihin natin, mga 23%, ito yung average ko. O, diba? Ito yung average ko, 23%. O, nag-full reversal. O, tingnan mo yung tuktok. 100,000 ko Tingnan mo naman yung reward sa akin pag umangat. Hinabol yung tuktok. Diba? 300%. 340, 400. So, yung 300,000 ko, nakasakay ako sa bottom, pwede kumita ng 400,000. Diba? Pero I'm managing the downside. So, diba? So, hindi ko yun all in. Kasi at pangit yung market ng PSE, mas madami nagbibenta kaysa bumibili. So, dapat maliit lang yung nilalagay ko compared to US market. compared to Forex, mas nakokontrol ko kay versus Pse Rally. I hope that helps. So, with that possibility na babagsak pa siya, i-manage mo yung bagsak. Bumili ka sa baba, i-cut loss mo pag mali ka. Pag tama ka, i-hold mo. Pag nagtipi ka, tanggalin mo yung nilagay mo, maiwan doon yung profit. Bumalik ulit siya, pasok ka. Bumababa yung average mo para pag bumaba yung average mo, nag-reversal siya. Yeah. Your losses before can turn to profit. Okay? And correct the allocation. Yung allocation mo, sir, doon. Na hindi mo siya, yung classification tinuturo ko sa inyo. What is the classification of the stock? Long-term, dividends, growth stock, trading, long-term, or speculation. So, yun yung, I think, the missing there. Once you know that speculation, mas mag-iingat ka. No? The profits are there. So, yun. Yun yung ano ko doon. Yun yung help ko with that. Yeah. So, yeah. So, because in PSE, I've experienced all green lahat. During the bull market, ang laki na kinita ko. Maliit pa yung port ko noon, pero almost close to 1 million. PSE alone lang. And the trades that I implemented there, less, hindi masyado marami. Mas marami akong day trade sa US market during that time. So, as a trader, it's really better to learn different position trade techniques. Swing trading, momentum trading, kaya mo pasukin yun. Yun yung maganda doon. When you learn different types of things, even long-term investing, chill ka na lang, di ba? I think pinakita ko na rin to sa inyo, but one of my accounts in US market already at 8% up. So, yung ito siya, already up. Para makita nyo, di ba? Nakita nyo ba? Ayan, yun. Di ba? Already up by 8%. Earning 50,000 pesos already. Because long term siya, hindi ko siya tinitingnan. Pero binibili ko at a good margin of safety. Tapos, wala, kung speculative, may cut loss or maliit lang. Yeah. Example, katulad yan, may dito telecom ako at 2% lang before. Kung mali yung dito telecom, 2% lang mawawala sa pera ko. Nakuha niyo yung point ko. Diba? Kung masunog yung dito telecom, 2% lang mawawala sa pera ko. Kung kumita siya, di okay. Kasi minsan, liit naman nakikita mo, sayang volume. Kung kumita ako, kung di ako kumita, speculation yun yung investing. Diba? Kung di ako kumita, magkano mawawala sa akin? I'm more into that. Because I've been there. So, I've been there. Nung talagang all in, it's not sustainable. So, it's really not sustainable. So, VNL po, medyo ipet since 2022. I think we can do this last VNL. Vista Land, right? Alright, so second is, hindi ka Vista Land. Ayan. Vista Land is a cyclical stock. Ibig sabihin ng cyclical stock, it goes along with economy. So, pag economy at property sector, kind of real estate development. Pag pangit yung ekonomiya, pangit din sila. Okay? So, expected yan talagang babagsak. So, go with property stocks if you can see recovery on the market. No? On the market, we have good GDP on the first year, then second year, papalo yan yung mga property sector, no? In general. No? Property development. Kasi cyclical yan. Mga sa cyclical. So, same with this one. Vista Land, hindi ko rin alam fundamentals nito. Okay, but kita-kita naman sa weekly na to, nag-start siya mag-uptrend. But since bumagsak tayo because of COVID, hindi na naka-recover. Kasi di pa naman tayo nag-fully recover. Okay, hindi pa nag-fully recover. So same advice ko sa kanya, if you have a very large position, manage it. Kung may pera ka, ibili mo pampababa ng average mo, but with proper technical training. Dapat may technicals ka. Katulad nito, if mag-breakout yan dito, bubili ka. Kasi nasa bottom ka naman. Example, yan. At actually, pwede na eh. To be honest. Pwede ka na magdagdag sa moving average 50 na yan. Tapos cut loss mo lang yung binili mo, 5%. Pwede na, no? 5% cut loss mo. If mag-breakout, dagdagan mo. Dito pa nag-breakout, the benta mo, dito 17 mo, mapapa-average mo. 17%. O, tapos, pag bumaba ng average mo, then i-long term mo na muna kasi naipit na yun doon. No? Wala layo na kung more than 50% na yan. Mahirap na. So, i-manage mo na lang siya. Ina-manage mo na lang yung bili mo sa ilalim, then i-bebenta mo siya. Bumaba pa average. So, I hope that helps. So, yung mga ganyan, depende. I think this kind of stock will recover last quarter of the year pa or early 2024. The full recovery of the market, the full recovery is expected 2025 to 2026. Matagal-tagal pa yan. Okay? So, matagal pa yun. Kasi nasa early recovery pa tayo based on signs. US market is still having some problems. So, affected din tayo when it comes to the investor of foreign funds. Okay? So, don't expect na talagang angat na mabilisan. No? So, I hope that helps because ganyan ang ginagawa ko. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo, hindi naman ako always green. But the point is, I know the allocation. From 2%, I increased it recently to 6% because I recently bought it. No? Speculation. Pero tingnan mo yung mga malalaki kong funds, first equity method, di ba maliliit lang? Kasi long term. Yeah, maliit lang. Ito for dividends. Malaki siya, mabili ko siya expensive. Di ba? Almost green. Pag malaki yung losses, maliit lang yung allocation. Di ba? So, yun. Hindi ko lang pakita overall, pero kung gusto makita yung port ko overall, okay, join me on my masterclass. I will teach you my insights. To be honest, I beat the market because ito lang yung total loss ko sa port ko. Ito ako sa inyo ha. It's still recovering, but this is only my losses from last year. Okay, ano lang to guys, dividend stocks pa to, 70%. Okay, PS decline by, tingnan natin ang PSE ha, from the top. Diba? So, negative yun, pero tingnan mo yung PSE from the top. January 1, January 1 is here. Then December 30, 31 is here. December 31 dito. Yan, here. Kailangan, January 1 is here, 11. Yeah, here. Actually, here. PSC declined by 15% close. 10 to 15%. But yung port natin, only at 6% lang na decline. Diba? So, I'm beating the market. Despite may mga red ako, I'm actually at part of the market compared sa binili ko siya lahat. So, same. Imagine mo, US market ko, the US market is bear market pa. The US market is bear market pa. From the top, it's still declined by 18%. I'm already up by 8%. So, I'm beating the market, even the US market. So, because, ulitin ko, before we go, two things. I know what to classify as stock, speculation, low allocation, low trading. Long-term investing, we know what to buy if to have a margin of safety. Trader ka, magka-cut-loss ka talaga, di ba? So, the gains there can be offsetted pag umangat. Diba? Hindi totally, mag-port snap lang ako pag gains na. Pero on the drawdown, on the bad part of the market, where am I standing? Am I beating the market in terms of negative, or am I at par of the market? Diba? So, yun yung kailangan natin matutunan lahat. On the Discord, dahan natin yung free share. On the masterclass is fully shared to all my students. How you classify a stock, how you classify your investment, and you can learn from me because I'm managing my own fund and I'm managing more than 10 million pesos. More than 10 million pesos. Izanagi is more than $100 million na minamanage natin. 100 million o 200 million overall yung nakadeposit dyan, minamanage natin. So, you can learn from me for that. How to classify an investment, how I do give the advices to you guys. Running from my experience, no? Running from the experience I have in investing and trading as well. No? So with that, that's it for tonight. It's 10:30. The market already open. It's really good to create, to add positions because the market is actually giving a very good breakout tonight, especially on the tech stocks. Don't forget, consumer cyclical and communication services. For PSE, I already gave you MRC is a very good stock to buy. JFC is a still a good stock to buy. Dito Telecom, maganda rin because it just made a breakout. So watch it, watch that out. Alright guys, so stay tuned tomorrow again for another live in the Wise Invest page where we're gonna talk about Forex, PSE, and trading. So see you on Pse Rally conference. Good night and have a good night. Good night and thank you. Bye guys.